Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ma'am Ivee. It's been a long time since I made a makeup video tutorial, and as requested for MAPI teachers of Valenzuela City, I'm here to guide you and give you tips on how to prepare yourself and how to look good in your video lessons and live streaming videos. So disclaimer, I'm not a professional makeup artist. All these tips were based on my own experiences. So without further ado, let's get started.
Before I start my makeup routine, I make sure my hands are clean by spraying some alcohol and wiping my face with wet wipes. I also make sure I prep my face using rose water glow mist. This is perfect for all skin types. This is important because it leaves our skin balanced and nourished with all the makeup we will put on our face. For my base primer, I use this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Primer is important to help our makeup last longer because as we all know, recording our videos needs extra time to perfect it. Now I'm done with my base. Get your foundation that is appropriate for your skin type and shade. Make sure that you use a foundation that is not too light for your skin because we don't want to look like a ghost or white lady in front of the camera, especially if there is a flash or a ring light that will be focused on our face. Be patient in blending your foundation. Make sure all areas of your face is well covered. Don't forget to put some on your neck to make it balance with your face. After foundation, start putting concealer on your under eye area, blemishes, and including the T-zone. Blend it till you make it. After that, get your powder. You can use any powder you have like Johnson's baby powder. Put a powder under all areas that you put a concealer, including the T-zone. This makeup process is called baking. This is important to set the base makeup. While we are baking, we can now proceed to our brows. Yes, we all know that kilay is life. For your brows, I suggest that you use one shade lighter than your hair. Then start your brows by drawing a line under your brow. Then repeat the same process on top of your brow. Fill it in and brush it. Use a concealer to give a clean finish eyebrows. And there you have it. You have now your kilay on flick. Then if you want to make bushy brows, you can use brow soap or mascara. This will give your brows extra volume and natural look. You can also put some pink or brown shade of eyeshadow to add some depth and dimension to our eyes. As a beginner, you must always consider to put a fine eyeliner to complete your basic makeup. Let us enhance our eyelashes using any mascara you have. Don't forget the under lashes. This will enhance our eyes more pleasing in the video. We can now brush off the remaining powder. Start sculpting your face using contour powder. Contouring can help our cheekbones and jawline more defined. You can also add some nose line if you want to. Then, go bright with your blush. Blush is the #1 makeup that easily fades off. So make sure to put vibrant shade than you normally wear because the camera might not see its color. More warmth in our cheeks will make our face lively. I suggest that you use red or pink lipstick because it draws the viewer's attention in our mouth, especially it shows the words that came out of it. If we will use nude lipstick in our video lesson, it will make us look pale. Then prep your makeup using any makeup setting spray to keep your makeup fresh and stays longer. You can also add some highlighters in your upper cheeks and nose for some shine effect if you want to. I suggest that do not ponytail your hair because you will look bald if you will use green screen. Instead, hang your hair loosely in half or in one side.
And that's it. This is my final look. I am now ready for my live streaming video. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like this video, and share this video to our co-teachers. Have a blessed day. Goodbye!